The Remote Control Vehicle Tech program is a program that's new in Ascension Parish. We have kids that are enrolled in it from 3 of the 4 high schools. Next semester we'll have 4 of the 4 high schools in Ascension Parish. And what the course is geared toward is allowing the kids to obtain their FAA 107, which is essentially their pilot's license.
I signed up for drones because I had an interest to becoming a pilot. You learn so much information, how to read sectional charts, which are like maps and stuff that real pilots out in the real world use. It takes a lot of focus because you can't just focus on one thing.
When flying a drone, you need you or someone else to watch your drone as a visual observer. I was surprised to meet a lot of new people from Santa Maria, Dutchtown. These are all cool people. Very nice.
It's definitely a unifying nature. The only restriction is you have to be 16 years old to take the test.
It's actually cool knowing what airspace I'm in and what airspace commercial pilots are in. After I finish this class, I'm gonna get my own drone and I'm gonna use everything that I've learned to actually try and do photography with my own drone and actually do that as a little stay-home job, make a little side money.
At the end of the semester, I'm thinking about getting my license, using it as like a hobby. The industry has been growing so big that a lot of job opportunities are here.
Anybody that's watching this, you should definitely take this class. It's super interesting. You can meet new people. You will enjoy the teacher.
He's a very fun person to learn from, and he makes the environment like easy to learn from. I have to say he's probably one of my favorite teachers right now.
My goal is to open it up and expand it as much as we can. I think it's a growing industry. Definitely fun to teach. I think the kids like it, and you know, it's just something special that we do in Ascension Parish that not every parish does for our kids, and just gives them an experience that I think will go a long way.